favorite perfumes. Also, I would like to call this video like affordable perfume collection. So I have perfumes in all different price ranges. Also, my favorite one, which happens to be my signature perfume, is on the top of the list, but I would like to keep that for the end of the video, because it is on the more on a little expensive side. But for the rest, I have like a lot of affordable options, and I have a ton of perfumes, and these are my favorite, and I also recommend this to you guys. So one by one, I will share with you all of these perfumes and how they smell and everything. So if you like to watch this kind of content, and if you want to know what kind of perfumes will suit best on what occasion, keep watching the video till the end. So the first recommendation that I have for you guys is the NYKA perfume. This one particularly is my favorite when it comes to lasting power and affordability. This particular one is the first date, and NYKA recently launched a set of perfumes, and this is from their perfume collection range, and it has a very beautiful pastel color, and this comes in this beautiful lavender shade. I really love the packaging, guys. This one kind of smells very sweet, and the name of this one is First Date. So as the name suggests, this perfume is wonderful if you're going out on a date or you want to smell really feminine and sweet. So this has a really sweet smell. So people who do not like sweet smells, I would tell you not to go for this. But people who like to smell really sweet, but not fruity or floral, but sweet. So this particular perfume is best if you want to go out with your friends or you like sweet smelling perfumes. This one would be the best recommendation from my side, guys. The packaging is really beautiful, would look wonderful on your vanity sitting there. Really cute, really beautiful. I would really recommend this one for you guys. So the price of this one will be here on the screen. I will attach it, and I will leave a link in the description box. You can check that out. Guys, the second perfume on my list is from Cupid, and this is the Seductive. And I love Cupid bath and body products and perfume, guys. They are so affordable, a very good quality, and also the lasting power of the perfume is really good. So this one particularly, why I chose Seductive, because I had already tried the Sweet Passion, the Aqua Wave, and also there's one more which I cannot remember right now. I will attach somewhere here on the screen. I have tried all of them. But I did not like those. One which I liked was the Aqua Wave, but then when I got my hands on the Seductive one, guys, this is the perfume you need. I mean, this makes you smell so strong, powerful, independent, very musky, not at all sweet, floral. It is kind of really strong, so I would recommend this for evening, not in the daytime. Also, this has a very musky scent, but also has a little bit of sandal. So if you like something like that, or if you're looking for something which is affordable and for a party wear, I think this one will be the best that you can choose. I will share the price and the link in the description box. You can check this out. Just to tell you, all these perfumes that I'm showing right now are under 1,000 rupees. I will tell you as I go up. So this one is the second on my recommendation list. So the third one on my list is one of my favorite, and this is not actually a perfume. This is actually a body mist, which is the British Rose body mist. This is my second bottle, and I like to use it a lot after my shower. This one has a beautiful smell. So it comes in a whole range of British Rose collection from the Body Shop, but this one particularly is love. You will love this particular one. But if I talk about the lasting power, it does not last for very long. But if you apply the whole shower range from the Body Shop of this particular range, which is the British Rose, it might last for about 2-3 hours. But then if I tell you my personal opinion, I think this will last on your body for only like 1.5 hours. That too, it has a very mild smell, so only you can smell it, and only a person who is hugging you or is a bit closer to you can smell the scent. But I would really recommend this if you're looking for something which is a little milder. A lot of people, get headaches from strong perfumes. So for them, I think this one is really good. I will share the price and the link in the description box. You can check that out. So guys, the fourth one on my list is this one from Skinn. This is from the Titan Skin range, and I love this perfume, guys. This kind of is my second signature perfume. This is the one that I go to. I always have this in my purse, but this is a glass bottle, so you'll have to be careful with it. If you're aware about Skinn perfumes, there are two that I recommend. One is the Celeste one, and the second one is the nude one. But more than the nude, I think this one is much better. I will tell you about the notes. This has a very sweet floral smell, but it kind of dries down to be a little musky. So I think if you do not want to buy any kind of any other perfume that I've showed here, but one if I would recommend to go to would be this one. I love this perfume. It stays on your body for like hours and hours. Even if you wash the clothes, the smell kind of lingers around, and the performance, the quality is just amazing. So for this particular packaging, this is the small bottle, which is actually I'll tell you, it's 20 ml, and for this you have to pay like what, a $5.49. I got this on sale, but usually the price is a bit higher. The bigger size kind of comes for like 2,000 rupees. So if you want to get the bigger one, you can go for it. But I like to carry this in my purse, and I carry a small sachet bag, so I like to carry the mini one. So I would recommend this one for you guys. It smells amazing, has a beautiful nozzle like this. You can keep this in your bag if you're traveling, and somebody who's an office goer can definitely carry this. I get really mesmerized by the smell of this one, and look at the bottle, it looks so beautiful. It's really gorgeous. So this one I will share the link in the description box. You can check that out, guys. So the fifth one on my list is a very mild scent. It's a body mist from the Body Shop, which I've recently got my hands on, and I picked it up. I also have mentioned this one in my Body Shop sale haul, which I've uploaded recently. I will share the link in the description box. You can check that out. So this particular one is, I think, for somebody who is not so much into heavy perfume, somebody who likes very mild scents. So I think this one will be really good for them. I love this variant. This is the shea one, and the price is $7.95, and you get 100 ml of product, and this smells amazing. After shower care, I think this one will be my top recommendation, after the British Rose one and the strawberry one. This one, every time I come out of the shower, I like to spritz a little bit of this one onto myself, and it makes me feel so good. And also about the notes, guys, this has a little bit of warm nutty tone, which you will like. For somebody who doesn't like nutty scents, I would not recommend you to go to this one. But then for people who like nutty scents, I think for them this will be my top recommendation. So now on the sixth position, I find myself thinking more about more affordable option for my subscribers who are schoolgoers. I have so many cuties on my channel who are subscribed to my channel. They really ask me about affordable options, also something that smells good, and you are college goer, or you are actually going to school right now. So for you guys, I have two really good recommendations when it comes to perfumes, when it comes to body spritz. For that, I would recommend these two. Okay, now first one is from Archie's, and this is Turn On Sexy perfume. It's a very good perfume, guys. You can see how much I have used, and let me tell you something about this particular one. This makes me so nostalgic. I used to use this in my college days, and I used the whole bottle. I still have this much left, and I do not throw this. I keep this with me. I really love this. I have really beautiful memories with this perfume. I really love this perfume. So if you're somebody who is looking for an affordable option and who wants to smell sweet, for my younger audience, I think you would definitely love this. So the price of this one is $3.99, and this is for 100 ml, so you get 100 ml for $3.99, which I think is pretty good. Also, you do not need a lot, though it says it's a body mist, but it actually performs really well. This is going to last on you for the whole day. So this one I think will really be loved by you guys. So I will share a link in the description box. Go and check that out. So the second one that I recommend to you guys is this one. This is the Engaged perfume, and this is actually a perfume spray, and this is the variant W2. So it also has W1, but I would recommend W2 because it has a very beautiful chocolatey smell. It has, you know, very sweet smelling fragrances. I do not know really how to explain it to you guys, but the scent is amazing. Also, this kind of lasts on you all day, has a very good lasting power, and the price is so affordable, guys. So I paid only 200 for this. On Flipkart you'll get it for 150 or 160. So just reach out to these two, and all my schoolgirls, you guys, you cuties, you will love these two. Just go and grab these ones and you are sorted for the whole year. So guys, that was all for the affordable option range, and now I have the last one, which is my signature perfume, which I do not recommend to a lot of you guys, but because it is a little, a lot on the more expensive side. So this perfume was bought by me when I got my first salary, and I paid a lot for this, but I am a big perfume lover. So I had to get this perfume. I had my eyes on this perfume from about like 1 year before I went ahead and purchased this, because I was saving up for this perfume and I finally got my hands on this. And this is more like a high-end product, not more, like a lot on the high-end product. So this is the Gucci Bamboo, and this is my first expensive perfume. I have paid a lot for this. So this small bottle, which is actually this is a 100 ml bottle, and I got this for around 16,000 rupees, which I paid a lot. I think a lot for this perfume. Now when I see on websites, I find this for like 10,000, 11,000, but I got this for 16,000. But this is, it's like an achievement for me. Like, this perfume is and will be the most how would I say, the closest to my heart. Like, I love this perfume. This will always be in my bag. I'm never going to finish this. I don't use this a lot, though I need very little here and there, and I'm sorted. This is always on my bag, and that is why I got so many scratches here, and I also dropped it a couple of times, so it has got a few scratches. But then now I keep it in a a nice little box, and then I puff it a little bit and then put it into my bag so I don't damage the bottle. But this particular perfume is the best, though I would not recommend this to you guys, because this kind of smells very fresh. This is not a sweet smell. So if you're somebody who likes sweeter smells, you can go for that. When I bought this, I did not have a lot of knowledge about perfumes, and I did not know what I want. Instead of this, I could have gone for one more of my favorite, which is the Coco Chanel Mademoiselle one. But then I just had to get this because I saw this perfume lying there and I wanted to have this. So I got it, and I will always keep this, and this is going to be my signature perfume till I get the Chanel one. So this is like the most expensive one that I own, but then I do not recommend you guys to get this one because it does not smell, it is not that best of the best. It is just a good smelling perfume and a very expensive one. So yeah, this is the most expensive one that I own. Other than that, guys, I do not have full size bottle of these perfumes, but I do have the decanters, which I got from Centos.com. I also have a separate video on that. So what I do is, I don't go ahead and just blindly purchase a high-end product perfume now, because I don't know what smell it is. So what I do is, first I use the decant, which is like a 20 ml or a 15 ml. I use it, and I only then go for the bigger bottle if I like it. So I bought a few of them. I will share with you right away. So guys, these are the two decants that I have, which I ordered from Centos.com, which was previously Next Perfumes. So the first one that I have here is the Coco Chanel Mademoiselle one, and you can see how much I've used. I just love this perfume, guys, but right now I cannot afford to buy a full-size bottle, but this one has helped me a lot to understand what the perfume is, how it dries down to be, what it smells like after 2 or 3 hours. So I just love the way they have sent me the packaging. It's a very beautiful bottle, though I do not like the spray a lot, but then yeah, I have used this quite a lot, and I think it's a really great idea, you know, to before you buy expensive perfume, you actually know what kind of perfume you are buying, if you like it or not. So I don't want to repeat the mistake that I did with this one. So I think I know which one I need to buy. So yeah, this is the first one, and the second one that I have here is a very, very sexy perfume, guys. This is the best if you're looking for something, you know, for times when you're going out on a date, or if you are you know, with someone really special, you want to smell good. This one is the one that I would recommend. This is the Juicy Couture Viva La Juicy NOIR one, and I just love this perfume, guys. This smells so delicious. If you're somebody looking for a very sexy, sensual, a very, very ladylike scent, I would recommend this one for you. So what I paid for these two was, like, for this one, this is a 15 ml decant, so I paid like 679, like around 700 for this, and for this I paid like around 750. So it also kind of lasts for a very long time. You can see I have been using them. It's been like 4 months, and you really need a very little on your hands and you're sorted. So guys, if you want to buy these decants, I will share a link in the description box. Also, I would recommend my video that I made dedicatedly on decants on my channel. I will share the link in the description box. Please check out that video, and you can also, you know, get your hands on these decants. They smell delicious, guys, and these are all very expensive perfumes. So I think getting a decant first and using it, and then deciding which one you want to go for, that will be a better idea than to buy a full-size bottle which you do not like. So guys, these were the decants, and now I am done with my perfume recommendations, guys. Alcohol coming, guys, so please check that out. I hope you like this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be back with more such video. All said and done, I will catch you guys later. See you next time.